Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back from the break. Today, I'm doing a mega box of 2021 Topps Gallery Baseball. 2 autographs per box. Look for rookie autographs. 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. Look for all new insert and sketch cards. Look for all new limited parallels. You guys can pause that and check out the odds. Rainbow foil 1 in 3, private issue 1 in 16. Those are numbered. Greens 1 in 68. Green pattern 1 in 85. Blue pattern, orange. Those inserts right there look pretty cool. Let's see. Green autograph 1 in 177, blue 1 in 311, orange 1 in 461, and reds 1 in 9,276 packs. So let's just get right to it. Thank you to my fiance. Got this for me. I think today was the first time I've seen the mega boxes. Kind of like a retail version of a hobby box. You get quite a bit of packs. You get 2 autographs. The price point's not terrible either. I believe these were $79.99. So, all right, let's get to it. Pack number 1. Oh yeah, these are nice looking. Yeah, I like the design. Jesse Winker. Derek Jeter. That's a different design. There's a foil in here. Trevor Larnach. Rookie. Wow, that's a big rookie logo. And Max Scherzer. So there's couple of different designs, it looks like. And the foil is going to be a Randy Arozarena. And the regular foils are not numbered. A couple different designs. Put that there, parallel there. Jacob deGrom, Ricky Henderson, Masters of the Craft, looks like Garrett Cole. Yep, Garrett Cole insert. Logan Gilbert rookie, and Julio Urias. That is a huge rookie logo. Kind of neat how they did it. I like how they matches the design of the card. It's pretty cool. Mike Piazza, Michael Conforto, and there's the first autograph, Jordan Weems, rookie autograph. It is a sticker auto. Put that right there. J.D. Martinez and Mark McGwire. Jordan Weems. Don't know much about him. I'll have to look him up. Dylan Carlson, rookie. Fernando Tatis Jr. Masters of the Craft, Buster Posey. Corey Seager. And Andres Jimenez, rookie. Brian Hayes, rookie. Nice. Ronald Acuna Jr. Manny Machado and Sixto Sanchez, rookie. And the foil board is going to be a rookie, Luis Patino. Rookie foil board. So it's always nice to hit rookie parallel. Set that up there. I do like the design. Let's see. Isaac Paredes, rookie. Mike Yastrzemski. Jonathan India, rookie. Joey Gallo. And Luis Campusano, rookie. Blake Snell. Ian Anderson, rookie. Luis Robert. Roger Clemens. Luis Robert. Robert. Lou Bob. And Sam Huff. Foil board rookie. Gotten a few parallel rookies of that guy. Well, for 2021, I can't say this year because it's 2022 now, but Mark Canna. Jake Cronenworth, rookie. Frank Thomas. Wilson Contreras, another foil board here. And that's a green of Whit Merrifield. And that is numbered 40 of 125. So I didn't realize the color parallels would be a foil. That's pretty cool. Alright, Eloy Jimenez. Nate Pearson, rookie. Oh, that's cool. Modern Artists. Shane Bieber, insert. Art by Josh Trout. Nick Castellanos and Tyler Stevenson. Bo Bichette, David Ortiz, Trevor Rogers, rookie, Eric Hosmer, and Kyle Lewis. That's a really nice looking card. Foil board, just regular foil. Anthony Rizzo, Ernie Banks, George Springer, Kim, rookie, and Rafael Devers. Ha-Seong Kim, I think that's how you pronounce that. I want to pull one of those, I think there's die cut inserts you can get. Walker Buehler, Robin Yount, another foil, Randy Arozarena, Sam Huff, rookie. Alright, and Brandon Woodruff. It's regular foil. And insert in here. Andrew Benintendi, Ken Griffey Jr., Next Wave insert, that's cool. Alex Kirilloff. That's neat. Let's see. Perdomo, rookie, and Aaron Judge. Byron Buxton, Andrew Vaughn, rookie, and rookie autograph of Santiago Espinal. I will have to look him up too. Alright, Tristan McKenzie, rookie, and Yu Darvish. Bryce Harper, Brady Singer, rookie, Roy Campanella, Tim Anderson, and Eddie Murray. Nolan Arenado, Alec Baum, rookie, Ichiro, Xander Bogaerts, and a foil of Willie Mays. 4 packs left. Trey Turner, Taylor Trammell, rookie, insert, MLB Originals insert, Javier Baez, Christian Yelich, and Ryan Mountcastle, rookie. So hitting some good names for rookies. See, Gleyber Torres, Braylon Marquez, rookie. We've got a Blake Snell private issue, and that is numbered 220 of 250. Matt Olson and Casey Mize. Alright, 2 packs left. Andrew McCutchen, Joe Adell, rookie, Jesus Sanchez, rookie, Kevin Gossman, and foil, nice, Christian Pache, foil board rookie, nice, I'll take that. Alright, last pack. Alright, Pete Alonso, Stan Musial, Brandon Lowe, Spencer Howard, rookie, and Ozzie Albies to end it. Alright, stack of base. Few inserts. Not as many inserts as I thought. A couple Masters of the Craft, Modern Artists, and MLB Originals. And then there's the Next Wave, Alex Kirilloff. Stack of rookies here. Joe Adell, Jesus Sanchez, Ryan Mountcastle, Alec Baum, Tristan McKenzie, Andrew Vaughn. Let's see, who else? Jake Cronenworth, Ian Anderson, Jonathan India, Sixto Sanchez, Brian Hayes, so Dylan Carlson, so hit some nice names. Couple of, quite a few foil boards. A private issue, Blake Snell out of 250. And then the green, Whit Merrifield out of 125. A couple of rookie parallels here. Sam Huff, Luis Patino. If I can get these. Foil board, Christian Pache, rookie. And rookie autographs of Santiago Espinal and Jordan Weems. So I will have to look these two guys up. Where do you guys go? That is a box, well I guess it's like a mega box of 2021 Topps Gallery Baseball. I have one more box that I think will break. Should they get me 2, so I think I'll do a video for the other one as well. But stay tuned for the next break. Thanks for watching.